Ahoy and welcome to a new episode of COSPLAY. In this video I'm going to show you how I built my very own Jungle Fury solar morpher. You can download the template I used for this project on my Facebook page, facebook.com/kurtbastelt. I used 4mm foam to recreate the shape of the morpher, the little details on the top. You can use the flame of a lighter to seal the edges and to seal the foam in general, but be very careful here. Some edges need to be cut at an angle, especially the area in the center of the morpher. Use the template to transfer the little details and use your box cutter to cut guidelines into the foam. After that you can add more details with your soldering iron. I used 1mm foam to add more details to the morpher. And now that we're done adding the details to the morpher, it's time to paint. I mixed red acrylic paint and wood glue in order to create a primer. Add 2 layers of this mixture to the foam parts, and after the paint has dried, you can seal the foam parts with red spray paint. Add the silver details and 2 little screws, one on each side of the morpher. I added extra foam on the inside to hide the sharp tips of the screws. We need transparent plastic packaging and black window film to create the visor. Transfer the film to the packaging and make sure that your working space is free from dust and hair. I added 2 layers of foil because I wanted a very deep black visor. You can now add the foam elements to the visor using superglue. At this point the morpher is not going to sit correctly on your face, so we need to add a piece of wire on the inside. I am using hot glue for this. The last thing you need to do is to cut into the foam on the inside, add some glue into the groove you just created, and bend the foam towards the middle. Wait a few seconds and the foam has the perfect shape. The morpher won't slide down your face anymore. And that's it. We are done. The Jungle Fury Solar Morpher is complete. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all again in my next video. Take care.